This is a status report on Gary Strickland. It's at least the last 1 hour ago. We'll talk to him. See if there's any connection between Kevin and Vegas.